and my orders just got filled. I'm trading the CAD GDP, which is gonna be released in a few seconds from now. So I just set pending orders and they just got hit, and you can see how fast the market becomes when the news is released. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens of Forex. This is the 1 minute strategy. I've seen it, other traders doing it on YouTube, and I thought, let me try it out. Why not? And I just looked at what they were actually doing on their videos, and I thought, let me try it out. And here it's what I came up with. So I took this account from $600, and now the first take profit has been hit. Let's see if this one is gonna be hit as well. It's very close to being hit. 1 pip, 2 pips, 3 pips floating around that. So what we are looking at here is the a buy order and a sell order. So the sell orders did not get hit, but the buy orders did get hit. And on the other side, killing 2 birds with 1 stone, I placed other pending orders on the Aussie CAD. I can see this one is moving, but not as quick as the CAD JPY. I'm probably gonna close this one because it's not moving as quick as I thought it would. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it. As you can see for yourselves, it's been from $600 to $800 in a few minutes. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe for more Forex content.